What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2020 Toyota RAV4 here. If you got this rear wiper blade and you need to know how to change it, you pretty much can't even lift this little guy. So this is a small little trick. I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see. It's not that difficult to do, but what you want to do is you want to take your two of your fingers, you want to put one down here, one on the other side, same position like here. You're just gonna open it up a little bit. This thing pops open just like that. After that, if you need to replace the whole arm here, you can take off this 10mm. You do need to hold this so you don't damage anything. Hold it and turn it, and that will come off, and you wiggle it, will come off. But we're not doing that. We just want to change this wiper blade. All you do is you lift this up, you grab this little guy, you want to put your hand here, hold this, and then at the same time you're going to just grab this and pull forward. This is all you do, okay? And then this thing just comes right off. Don't let this go because this will slam and hit your thing, windshield here. The rear windshield here, it will crack it, break it, but it will stay there if you leave it alone. But sometimes you could tap it by mistake. So grab your new wiper blade. You see the slot here? All you need to do is you need to position this little guy same direction. This goes in a little bit, and then it sticks in, and then it locks in just like that. Clean the surface where it's gonna sit at, and put your wiper blade down, and you take your one finger and you stick this baby right back down. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. And that's how you're gonna replace a wiper blade on your Toyota RAV4. It's similar on other vehicles, so if you got another Toyota, it might be the same as any of the other Toyotas that has a wiper in the back. Toyota Sienna, it might be from the top here, but it's a little bit complicated there. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video, and don't forget to change your wiper blades seasonally. Usually 6 months is the maximum time. They do dry up. So anyways, thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.